The following procedure is how to remove the EGM's power supply. The following tools are needed to perform this procedure: a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 nut driver. First, unlock the belly door. Push the lever to the left and push up on the belly door. Next, unlock the main door, pull it down. Confirm that the power is off on the game. Also, remember not to lean on the main door. Remove the power cord bracket. Save in a safe location. There are a total of 7 cables connected to the power supply. First, remove the power cord cable and the other 6 cables that are plugged into the power supply. There's the second one, 3, 4, 5, and finally the last one. Once those are removed, using a 3/8 nut driver, remove the 2 nuts here and here that are holding on the drop door bracket. Once the nuts are removed, lift out the bracket, save the bracket and nuts. Using number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws, one here and the other one is located on the bottom. This bracket holds the power supply to the EGM. Once the screws are removed, pull the power supply forward out of the EGM. This concludes how to remove the EGM power supply from the Gamescape.